Hey guys, so it's been a long time since I've done a video. In fact, the last time I did one was when I was part of the YouTube channel, Hemordroids.net. That was about 6 years ago. I've decided to create a new channel and finally start doing tech reviews again. So after years of procrastination, here I am. So welcome to Tectonic. That name doesn't quite roll off the tongue, but I'm sure it will sound better the more I say it. Anyways, I remember when I used to record video before, one of the biggest criticisms I used to get was about the audio. So for my first video, it's all dedicated to a microphone. So to be specific, the Blue Yeti. There goes a sight from my soul. So let's get started with the unboxing. It's quite a hefty and heavy box. This particular package cost me £79.99 on Amazon. It comes with the Watch Dogs 2 PC game, which I have no interest for. So what I'll do is I'll give that away to one of you guys in the UK. Just subscribe, leave a comment and say that you're from the UK, and I'll pick one of you guys and you can have the activation code for that particular game. You can see it's a bit of a struggle trying to open this flap. Once again, once it's open, you'll find another box inside. I haven't got one of those pocket knives to open this, so I'll just use some scissors. The first thing you'll see when opening the box is the USB mini cable, not the ones you're normally used to, so not the micro USB cable, but the USB mini. What you'll need to do is connect this to obviously one end to the mic and the other end to the computer. And here's the activation code for Watch Dogs 2. Underneath that you have the manual for the microphone, which you can read through if you like, but who actually reads a manual? I certainly don't, unless it's something that can potentially be dangerous. So now that that's out of the way, the last thing to get out is the microphone itself. As that's all unboxed, I can tell you this microphone is very heavy. That shows the great workmanship and effort put into making this. It's solid and probably not something you accidentally want to drop on your feet. So, how does this microphone sound? Well, this whole voiceover was recorded using this mic, and it's simply, 1,000 times better than using a built-in mic, the mic that you'd find on your video camera, or let's say the microphone on my Note 8. Had I used a microphone from the Sony a6000, which I'm using to record this video, it would have sounded like this. And had I used a microphone on my Samsung Galaxy Note 8, it would have sounded like this. So everything else pretty much pales in comparison to a dedicated microphone. I'm currently recording in the cardioid mode, which is well suited for vocals and does a great job of recording sound sources that are directly in front of the microphone. You've essentially got 4 modes of recording: stereo, cardioid, omnidirectional and bidirectional. Trying to turn this knob is tough. It's really firm and requires a fair bit of strength to switch it to a different mode. You've also got the ability to adjust the gain, which can help depending on how close or how far you are from the mic. So if you're sitting away really far, just increase the gain, and that should increase the volume of the recorded audio. At the bottom of the microphone, you've got the mini USB slot, the standard thread mount, and a headphone jack to listen to your recording in real time. You can adjust the volume level of the headphones plugged in, and you can also mute the microphone using the mute button. Overall, for 80 quid, the Yeti isn't the cheapest microphone out there, but the price is justified by its solid build. It's really easy to set up, just plug it into the computer and you're pretty much ready to go. If you're serious about sound quality and a bit of a noob when it comes to sound and audio in general, just like me, and you're on a budget, then the Blue Yeti is a great microphone to buy. This has been Raju from Tectonic. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. As mentioned earlier, if you're in the UK, you can win the activation code for Watch Dogs 2 for the PC. Just leave a comment saying you're in the UK, subscribe, and I'll randomly pick a winner. I'll announce the winner on my next video. Deadline will be end of the month. So thanks for watching. Bye.